Can I help you?
This is a brand new ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan? I have air conditioning.
Well, I think we'll be pretty satisfied with this.
Uh-huh. Well, my rooms are already pretty nice. I don't know if I really want to add a ceiling fan.
Well, you can consider this a cherry on top. It's free, so we can just take it back if you don't like it.
You know, it has been a bad week. My car broke down. It's so hot out. You know, maybe a ceiling fan will help the air conditioning.
Well, I'm glad you'll appreciate it.
You gonna come on in?
Yeah, let's get inside.
Okay. Okay, it does look good. And it's quieter than I expected.
Glad you like it.
You know, honestly, I'm not easily impressed, but I really like this.
Sweet.
Thanks, Parrotuncle.
You're welcome.